Hey peeps, we are finally back with a tutorial. Aren't you guys excited? Cause I'm excited. Ooh, I'm excited. Are you excited? Cause I'm excited. Can't you tell? I need y'all to pump the brakes because you already know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to make sure y'all thumbs up this video, and you need to make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you watch the rest of this video because this tutorial is popping, as you can see.
Hey peeps, a long time no makeup look, but we are back with another makeup look. And as you can see, I'm doing a recreation with Kayla Printup. So to start this tutorial, I'm just taking Ginger from the ABH and Aina palette, and then in the crease I am putting Credit. So transition is Ginger and the crease is Credit, so we're just building that up. And then the next thing that we're going to do in just a second, right here, as you can see, we are using the NYX Cosmetics glitter glue. So I just happened to have the exact same thing that Kayla used, so I went ahead and did that so I could be doing the same thing that she is. So I'm just building that up, and I really want to know why she decided to do that. I don't know if I really like that for this part right here where I'm applying the purple, and the purple is Big Wig from the Aina palette with ABH. That was pretty much the only color that I thought I had that went well. I actually did end up finding that I had a plum color that I probably could have used, but we'll do that next time. The next color you see me using is the Supreme color. It's like this nice pink color from the Aina palette, and I just am packing that on. It's a nice matte color, nothing extra to it, and then I'm just trying to blend that in with the purple and the brown color so it is seamless. And I was having like some difficulty with blending the purple in. Like, I just didn't think that it was working out that great. So that is what you kind of are seeing here, is me trying to get it all to work. And in my head, I was like, oh my God, this is coming out trash. I'm gonna wipe it off. No, no. I'm really on some Kevin Hart stuff, like, help me, help me. But I was really just like, let me just trust the process. You know how they be like, trust the process. Because really, a lot of makeup looks, really when it's all said and done, especially when you style your hair and put an outfit on, many makeup looks, even if they truly aren't the cutest, will look good if you do like the whole shebang. So I was like, let me just trust the process. And then what you see me doing here is going back in with like the darkest crease color to try and blend that in with the purple, because I was like, the purple looks darker than the brown, and I was just like, is that cute for the middle of my eye look to be darker than the outer corner? So I kind of like tried to blend it into the purple a little bit to tone it down. And then this is the color from the Morphe 39S palette. It's one of the shades with a big pan. It's going to be the second color from the left side. So the second color over, so it's like this gray color, and then there's a pink one. So that's the one that I use to put over top of the pink, just to give it something a little extra. So this is one of the additions to Kayla's look that I made. And then I just put a little bit more purple because I thought that putting the brown on there and trying to blend it in kind of took the purple color away. And yeah, that's just me struggling with the purple. I'm like, Kayla, what did you do? How did you do it? Because I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it well enough, I don't think. So yeah, I don't know what it was, but that purple was just causing me some problems. I don't know if I need to try it without the NYX glitter glue or what. So this is just me, you know, looking over the look. And then this is real time how long it took me to do the liner on my left eye. So I wanted to keep that in real time for you guys, just so you could see like how long it truly takes me. And of course, I've been doing makeup for years, and this really isn't that difficult of a wing. But if you are a beginner, I can see why it still would be something that might take you longer. Yeah, so just enjoy this little liner process here. Right here, I'm going back into the Jackie Aina times ABH palette and using Trust Issues for an inner corner, inner tear duct little highlight. And Trust Issues is literally so bomb for the inner tear duct pop. It's literally amazing. Amazing. So the rest of the tutorial is pretty much just my usual. You guys have seen it a million times. I will leave all of the information in the description box below, and you guys can just go ahead and watch. Okay, if y'all want me to talk the whole way through, let me know if you rather have like shorter videos where I'm not talking, or if you want to see videos where I do talk you through some of it, or half and half, all of it. You know, let me know what you like, what you prefer. But I'm going to go ahead and let you watch the rest of this, and then I will come back on the screen with the full makeup look done, my hair done and everything, and talk to you about a few things as well. Oh, and one last thing, I just want to make sure you guys know that you should go ahead and thumbs up this video right about now, and subscribe if you like the video, and make sure you share this video with another makeup lover, and I will let you all continue to watch the rest of this video. Thank you so much for watching once again.
Hey peeps, so the look is done. How do you feel? Do you love it or do you love it? Do you love it or do you love it? Do you love it or do you love it? If you love it, make sure you thumbs up though. We need that, we need that. I'm so happy. It looks so cute. Let me go ahead and tell you why I did this look. Of course, I put my own little spin on it. It is a recreation of Kayla Printup, P-R-I-N-T-U-P. You can find her here on YouTube. Also, you can find her on Instagram as well. She posts a lot more on Instagram, so definitely check out her Instagram, Kayla Printup. She did this look with the Amrezy palette with ABH, and I want to go ahead and recreate it. I do not have the ABH Amrezy palette, but I do have the one and only Jackie Aina, and I went ahead and used that palette mostly, and I did use the Morphe 39S palette as well. I think those are the only two palettes that I used. Yeah, those are the only palettes that I use. The Jackie Aina palette does have a couple of colors that are similar to the Amrezy colors that Kayla used, and then I just topped off the pink with some shimmery colors from that middle part of the 39S Morphe palette. And at first I was really kind of scared about how it was going to come out, because I feel like me and Kayla have completely different methods of doing makeup. I feel like mine is more like high glam extra, and hers is more like everyday. Like even her colorful looks, it's still more wearable than mine are, and I absolutely love that about the way that she does makeup, because it's just across the spectrum. I love seeing people do different looks or the same kind of looks but have a different technique to it. So I feel like my look still came out kind of more so my style and not exactly the same way hers did, which I feel like is way more wearable than what I did. Even though this is wearable to me, at least, some people would still say that this is not as wearable. So I'm going to tell you guys some of the differences as far as application and how things came out. So one thing that I noticed from Kayla, as well as so many other makeup artists, is that they use smaller brushes. So my brushes are not as small as some people use, and they use smaller brushes to have more control and to be able to get into that inner corner a whole lot more. Now me on the other hand, I like fluffier brushes just because it like kind of whips out the color a little bit easier and faster. It just spans more area, so it kind of helps you move along. But I do see the benefit of using smaller brushes, so I definitely want to try and do this look again, the same exact one, and use smaller brushes like Kayla did. So that's one thing that definitely was different with my application. So I might have gotten a different kind of look because of that alone. Also, like the purple right here, I feel like you can see the purple kind of coming through just a little bit, but I feel like it's randomly kind of darker than the outer corner. I feel like I would have needed to put some black right here to kind of deepen it up to compensate for that purple being so dark next to the brown. But I was like, let me not do that because I just didn't want to have to deal with black today. Like, it just was not in my schedule. Okay, so I did not do that. But also I feel like her color was not as deep as my purple because I used a purple, but I feel like she used more of a plummy color. Once again, I don't have the Amrezy palette, so I can't compare it side by side to see how much lighter that purple or plummy color was that Kayla used, so I'm really not sure about that. But then also I did go over that purple a little bit with the brown, and you'll see that in the tutorial, but I probably shouldn't have done that. I feel like that's what kind of made it darken up a whole lot more than what it was before, but I still feel like that purple gives it a little something where you can kind of see that like hue of the purple, and you know that it's not just a brown sitting right there on my eye. So yeah, I feel like those are like the two biggest things as far as where my look went and where Kayla's look went. Also, of course, I added my own flair with adding the glitter topper, and then also doing a little inner corner. I did the little cat eye. Also, I put pink in my waterline also, so I still made it me even though I was doing a recreation. So pretty much the basics of the look is completely something that Kayla came up with, and definitely check out her video. I will have it in the eye and I will have it linked below as well, so make sure y'all check out my girl Kayla. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't filmed a makeup look in a long time, so I hope you really did enjoy it and you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you share it with someone who also loves makeup videos, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss one of my uploads ever again if you did enjoy the tutorial. And I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.